it's Kareem. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my very first unboxing video. I know I'm way behind the times of a YouTuber, but hey, everybody's got to have a first, right? A very special thank you to Natural Jewels for sending me some products to review and giving me the opportunity to do my first unboxing. We're gonna tear right into it and get right into the goodies that are inside. Natural Jewels is a company that focuses on skincare and home care products made from natural ingredients. So I'm very excited to see what I got and to, you know, try out everything that I got in here. When you open up the box, you see a lot of little packing peanuts here. And then you get a Natural Jewels thank you card. That's a nice special touch. Tells you how to keep in touch with them on social media. And you get a discount on your next order. Of course, a packing slip. All right, let's get into the goodies. So I got a mix of skincare and home care products. We will do the home care products first. The first thing I have here is a candle. It's clean cotton. Make sure I'm holding that correctly, that you see that correctly. Yeah, it's clean cotton. And I like very soft smells when I burn candles. And I use candles primarily for air freshener. This particular candle is a soy wax candle. Again, natural ingredients. And it has green apple, cotton blossom, and cedar musk. A mix of those smells. Oh my gosh, that's, oh, right, we don't have smell-o-vision. You can't smell this, but the name does say it all. So I think this is going to be a great aroma. But with this candle, I also got the clean cotton room and linen spray. Take it out of the bubble wrap here. So I got the clean cotton room and linen spray because I figured I can use this if I don't want to burn the candle real quick. I can use this to freshen up the room, and because it says it's a linen spray, I'm very excited to try it on like my towels and sheets and stuff like that so that they can smell like clean cotton. I will definitely make sure I show you how I use it as a linen spray. Let's just spray it right now. Oh my gosh, it has the same, of course, the same exact aroma. My gosh, that's exact. Oh, it's awesome. The same exact aroma as the candle. Very clean, exactly like the name says. This is great for people who want a very soft smell. The next thing I got in the home category are wax melts. Now you can see this says Pina Colada. These are soy wax melts. Wax melts, if you're not familiar, are basically a flameless candle. If you don't like candles, you don't like open fire, maybe you have young children, maybe you're just afraid of fire, I don't know. Wax melts are a great alternative. You buy a wax melt burner and you put these little cubes of wax in there and you get the aroma that you would by burning a wax candle. So I'm very excited to see how these smells. I'm not going to open it up until I get ready to burn them to definitely preserve the flavor. I mean, not the flavor. Look, say food, terrible. The aroma, the aroma. But I will definitely show you how I use these and tell you how these are. So let's move now to the skincare products. So I got honey almond body wash and honey almond body oil to complement each other. I'm one that uses a loofah and body wash, so this is right up my alley. And I either use oil or lotion depending on what time of day that I shower. I'm very excited to see how these go on, how they feel. I mean, being made from natural ingredients, I'm guessing they're going to feel also really great. So this has, ooh, a very, well, it smells like soap, but at the same time, it also has like an almond extract. It has like an almond extract smell. So it's nice and thick. It looks like it's going to be a really like luxurious body wash. And then with the complimentary body oil, I know I'm going to feel, well, I'm going to guess. Again, I haven't tried them yet, but I'm guessing I'm going to feel nice and smooth and smell really yummy. The next thing we have in here is a foot scrub. And I'm going to do something really special with this. I don't think we take enough care of our feet. I mean, we obviously should take care of all of our body, but I really think that we don't take enough care of our feet, especially women, and especially people who are on them all day. You got to take care of your feet. They do so much. So I'm excited to try the foot scrub and bring you a special video about how to use this. Now, that's it. Oh, wait. There's one more thing. This must have fallen. There's a lollipop. So this is a cute little sweet treat that you get. My son will love this. So that's really cool that you get a little sweet treat. That probably was there with the thank you note and things like that. That is nice. Now that's a special touch. So I'm very excited to bring you the videos for these products. Be sure to stay tuned. Thank you again to Natural Jewels for sending them to me and letting me try them out so I can share them with my audience. And you want to make sure you subscribe so you can catch the videos for these and then everything else that's coming up on the channel. Thanks so much for watching my first unboxing. I'll see you in the next video.